You're about to sign a lot of pages. Here's what actually matters and how this day will feel. Closing day is the finish line. It's also the day most first time buyers feel completely overwhelmed because no one has prepared them. Today I'm preparing you. Let's make sure closing day is everything you imagined. I have sat at many closing tables with first time buyers. Those who know what's coming feel calm, confident, and present during one of the biggest moments of their lives. The ones who don't feel scared and rushed. Let's make sure you're in the first group. What to bring to closing? Your valid government issued photo ID, usually a driver's license or passport, a cashier's check or wire transfer for your closing costs, and any remaining down payment. Do not bring a personal check. Do not wire money without calling the title company directly to verify the wire instructions. Wire fraud is real. What you'll sign? The promissory note, your promise to repay the loan. The deed of trust, which secures the loan against the property. The closing disclosure, the final breakdown of all costs. Various lender and title documents. It's a lot of pages. Most of them are legal boilerplate. Your closing agent will walk you through each one. What to review carefully? Your name and property address. Make sure they're spelled correctly on every document. The loan amount, interest rate, and monthly payment. The closing costs, do they match your closing disclosure? The final walkthrough happens just before closing. Make sure the home is in the same condition it was when you made the offer. Make sure any agreed upon repairs were completed. Test the appliances, check the HVAC, run the water, and then you sign and you wait. Once the lender funds the loan, the keys are yours. That moment, I never get tired of seeing it. You deserve this. In Texas, closings happen at a title company. The title company handles the paperwork, escrow, and recording of the deed. Your agent should be there with you. I always am. Share this video with someone who needs it. And if you're going through this process right now and need someone in your corner, I'm here. FirstHomeTexas.com. Book a free consultation. I'm Frank. Now, go get your keys.